Hey friends, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today we're talking all about the brand new lower pricing for UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers. Now, along with saving money and making more profit, I'm going to show you how you could get high-quality direct-to-film transfers as low as 4 cents a square inch. So are you ready? Let's get into it. So we've been asked over the past several years about quantity breaks for our UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers, and here at Stalls and Transfer Express, we've listened. And so I'm very happy to announce brand new gang sheet pricing with quantity breaks for UltraColor Max. And it's all live right now on transferexpress.com. Now, these pricing breaks will impact both our new small and large gang sheet sizes of transfers. For our small sheet, we've got a 12-inch by 22-inch sheet that starts at 5.5 cents per square inch, or about $14.50 per sheet. At 10 quantity, we bump down to 4.5 cents, or just $12 per sheet. And at 25 quantity or above, we are at 4 cents per square inch, or just $10.50 per sheet. Now, for our large sheets, the pricing follows very similarly, just at a larger sheet size. Now, our large gang sheets of UltraColor Max transfers allow you to print 24 inches by 22 inches, adding 44 square inches to our old maximum size, essentially for free. The large sheets here start out at just $29, and that's the same price as a 22 by 22 inch sheet, priced by that per image or per square inch cost. At 10 quantity, our large sheet price drops down to just 24 bucks, and at 25 quantity, we hit our 4 cents per square inch, or just $21 per sheet. And when you're saving $8 each on those full 25 sheets, that's over $200 in savings over the traditional way of ordering based on the square inches. Now that's cool, right? So let's jump on into the EasyView online designer to take a closer look at these new gang sheet options, the new pricing, and how you could select and configure your next job. Now, I love EasyView here for ordering custom transfers the easy and accurate way. Now, not only can you upload your own artwork here or design online with text, clip art, or thousands of pre-made layouts that can be customized with just a couple clicks, but you also have the ability to see real-time pricing and your turnaround times, all right here in the bottom right, simplifying your cost calculations and making quoting easy. Now, in addition to all of that, before placing your order of UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers, you'll also get a live, real-time proof that's going to highlight any areas that may have an issue printing. I'm talking things like tiny details that might not hold the adhesive well, or soft edges or any fades to the garment that just aren't capable of being produced with direct-to-film transfers. Now, in most cases, you could fix any of these issues yourself by adding an outline in the designer or increasing your font size for things like smaller text. Now, let's make sure we have our UltraColor Max selected here as our transfer type in the bottom left-hand corner by clicking on Full Color and UltraColor Max. Now that we have our DTF transfer selected, we have our 3 ways to order. Now, our first is by the image. This is the same exact way it has been. Your pricing is based on the square inch of your artwork and available in any size from 1/4 inch up to 22 by 22 inches. Now, single image or gang sheet, order 1 or as many as you need. Now, next up, if we click here on our artboard or our size, you'll notice that we have 2 new gang sheet options, small and large. Now, by clicking on one of these new options, you'll notice the dotted line pops up denoting the size of our sheet, very similar to the gang sheets if you're used to ordering our goof-proof screen printed transfers. Now, this familiar ordering process lets you see the sheet size and add as much artwork as you can to the sheet. Anything you fit within these bounds is all the same price, regardless of colors in your design or your image size. As long as it fits inside this box, It's shipping all for the price that you see on the lower right. Now, of course, you could upload a pre-made gang sheet set to the specific size that you need from Illustrator or Photoshop, but you could also use the designer here to upload different images and build your own gang sheet. Maybe even resize or recolor your artwork or add any text. Now you could even customize any of the layouts in the designer and add them to your sheet too. All super easy, all in real time. Now let's go through one pricing example here. So say we have an image that's 12 inches wide by 10.5 inches high, and we need 40 of them. We could order just 40 at the per square inch pricing, and that'll be $7.56 each. Now, if we fit just 2 of these on one of our small gang sheets, it's $12 for 20 sheets, or just $6 each per print, saving us around $1.50 per print, or $60 total on our order, and possibly giving us extra space for smaller prints like left chest logos or inside tag prints here, all for free. Now, of course, this is a great way to combine multiple customers' artwork together too, to save money by grouping them up. Now, the best part of all is it's just a couple clicks to compare pricing right in EasyView. You can just switch between the square inch pricing or the discounted gang sheet pricing to see what's best for your project. So go on, save. Here at Transfer Express, we are dedicated to your success and are always listening to apparel decorators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses just like you. So let us know what you think down in the comments section below. And as always, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Transfer Express YouTube page right here to stay up to date on all of the helpful t-shirt printing tips, tricks, inspiration, and education that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.